Hey guys, I have here quantity of burger, 80/20 ground beef. Today I'm going to show you how to form hamburger patties. I'm going to show you how to make burgers. If you don't know how to make burgers, go find my burger recipe and follow that. Today I'm going to show you how to shape and form burger patties. Let's go. First, you have to kind of figure out how much burger meat you're working with. For that, we'll break out our scale. We're going to tear that out because we don't need to know how much that weighs. 2.2 pounds of burger. Depending on the size of burger you're going to make, you can make quarter pound, third pound, half pound. We're going to make third pound burgers. Let's divide it up. 8-ounce burger. 8-ounce burger works for 8.5-ounce burger patties. And what we're going to do, there's a couple ways you can do it. One, kind of press it together like so. And depending on how your audience likes their burger, Mrs. Little Kitchen Big Food doesn't like super thick burgers. She likes them thinner. I have to work on making it thinner. Now, keep in mind also the size of your burger bun. So you're working it, but you don't want to work it too much. You want it to stay tender. Only thing I've done is added salt. Now this is also however we cook it, whether it's flame broiled or on the flat top or in a pan, this is going to shrink. Are we going to get that much shrinkage? Yeah, probably. That's one way to form a burger patty, literally by hand. And we'll set that one aside. Another way to do it with cookie cutters, right? So in this case, we've got a bunch of different size cookie cutters. We're only interested in the big one. The rest of these guys can go away and you can stuff it in there like so. Now, as you can see, it makes a very thick, but very uniform burger. So probably not the tool, right? And we have these, like an egg ring. Set it in your pan, crack an egg. In this case, this too will make a very thick burger. We don't like them thick. So we're forming them by hand. Form it on a cutting board. Like so. I mean, and then if you wanted, but now you're also not making 8-ounce burgers. Now you've made this little baby like slider burger. You can mash it down a little bit more. That's really thin and probably not quite big enough. You end up with a burger donut, probably a little bit more. We'll make this one the wife's burger because she likes them thin. Flip it over. But she doesn't want it too thin and she still wants it to be burger. So let's compare. Second burger versus our first. Now, that's 8 ounces of meat. This is probably 6, maybe 5. So maybe we should make smaller burgers. So you can kind of guide the side with your hand while forming the burger. That's probably where she likes her burger to be. Maybe a little bit wider. Probably going to make your 5-ounce burgers because 8 ounce is a massive burger. Or a massive patty. We don't need a massive patty. You just take your time, make those edges fairly neat looking. They don't look quite so ragged because we do eat with our eyes first. We see our food first. We smell our food second. Taste our food third. No breadcrumbs, no binders, just meat and salt. And since I put the salt in them, those are looking pretty good. That guy's looking pretty good. That guy's massive. We're gonna fix him though. Take your time. That guy's a little bit thicker. It's going to take a little longer to cook. Done. Burger meat left over for more burgers or part of a meatloaf, 4 burgers. You can see 2 will fit on one of these trays. Parchment on your tray, patty, parchment, patty. Into the fridge until we're ready to make burgers, which will be in a couple hours. And that's how you form burger patties. Pretty straightforward. Requires your hands. You could wear gloves if you want. Take your time. Nice and consistent in thickness and in weight so they cook evenly, you know, instead of them looking all raggedy when you pull them off the grill and they fall apart. They stick together, they look good, and you're the hero. Go be the hero. Go hit subscribe. We'll talk to you later. If you need more how-tos, just tune in. And you know, we're only 98 subscribers away from 1,000 subscribers. And most of you that watch this aren't subscribers, and I can't figure that out. Hitting the subscribe button, it's easy. Just mash that subscribe button, hit the notification bell, and make some burgers. All right, guys. We'll see you next time.